Alright, babe. This is your walk-in, your tub, your shower, your tub, going out. Hello. Your shirt's on top. Your master bedroom. George standing in your bedroom. Walking out to the left. Spare bedroom. Spare bedroom. Laundry room. Bath. Spare bedroom. Linen closet, I guess. Stairs. Howdy, neighbor. Stairs. Terry Paul's room. Front door. Garage. Where is the light switch? Yeah, they need to put something here so we don't run into it. Kitchen. Backyard. Living room. Yes, we will not be able to fit our couch in here.